E.P Machinery is an enterprise that specializes in manufacturing and distribution of compact construction and engineer equipment, including mini excavators, crawler excavators, wheel loaders, road rollers, mobile lighting towers. E.P Machinery provides support for maintenance and service of their compact machines, which includes access to spare parts, technical assistance, and resources to ensure the machines continue to perform optimally over their lifespan. We often offers customization service, which covers modifications to attachments, logo and packages customization, and engines replacing based on the emission requirements of different countries. Currently, our equipment had been successfully exported to North American markets, USA, Canada, and European countries, such as Germany, France, Italy, Spain, England, Russia, Poland, Australia, New Zealand, and also some Asian countries like Singapore, South Korea, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, etc. Everyone has their own dreams and pursuits, but only those with courage and action can truly realize them. In this era full of opportunities and challenges, we need to be more daring to break through and innovate in order to achieve success and honor. Therefore, I recommend our product, Mini Excavators, to you. It is not only a good quality commodity, but also an attitude and belief. Our products represent the spirit of pursuing excellence and bravely climbing the peak, which inspires our people to dare to challenge the limit and surpass themselves. Lightly click, a perfect mini excavator is in your hands. E.P Machinery, the world's excavator.